Second topic, molarity. Molarity, number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter solution. That is called molarity. Molarity can be expressed by capital M. Its unit will be moles per liter. Molarity can be expressed by capital M. Its unit will be moles per liter. Why moles per liter? Because molarity may be defined as molarity of solution is the number of moles of solute present in per liter of solution. Per liter means 1 liter of solution. That's why number of moles dissolved in 1 liter solution. The unit will be moles per liter. Now molarity equal to formula of molarity will be number of moles of solute upon mole of solution in liter. Or molarity equal to number of moles of solute upon volume in ml milliliter into 1000. Already you know that number of moles small n that will be equal to mass of solute upon molar mass of solute. Moles of solute will be Wb and molar mass of solute will be Mb. Capital M B. Now molarity equal to Nb upon V, number of moles upon volume into 1000, or capital M equal to Wb into 1000 upon Mb into V, where Wb is weight of solute, Mb is molar mass of solute, V volume in ml or into 1000. By this formula you can find out molarity. Now dilution equation. If two solutions are mixed together, then what will be relationship between them? M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. If in any question value of M1 is given, V1 is given and V2 is given, then you can find out M2. So M2 equal to M1 V1 upon V2. If second equation, second formula, if two solutions are mixed together and you have to find out resultant molarity. In that case, V3 equal to V1 plus V2. And if M1 is given there, V1 is given there, M2 is given there, V2 is given there, you can find out M3 means molarity. Now question number 1. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 9.8 gram H2SO4 in 250 gram of solution. Weight of solute, Wb equal to 9.8 gram. It is given here. 9.8 gram H2SO4. Now molar mass of H2SO4 that will be equal to 98. Already you know that molar mass of H2SO4. How to find out molar mass of H2SO4? Already know. Molar mass of H2SO4 will be 98. If anybody had any idea about molar mass of H2SO4, they can see here. This is H2SO4. Atomic mass of hydrogen will be 1. Here 2 molecules of hydrogen, so multiply by 2, plus atomic mass of sulfur will be 32, plus atomic mass of oxygen will be 16. Here 4 molecules of oxygen, so 16 into 4, multiply by 4. Now 2 plus 32 plus 64, I add it, that will be equal to 98. which is molecular mass of 98. Now you have to find out molarity. Molarity equal to WB into 1000 upon MV into volume. My dear students, you should know 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 ml. Here volume is given 250 centimeter cube. So volume will be 250 ml. Volume will be 250 ml. Here put value of solute WB, that will be 9.8 upon MB, molar mass of solute, that is 98 into 1000 upon V, volume will be 250 ml. Solve it, that will be equal to 0.4 mole per liter or 0.4 कैपिटल एम लिख देंगे हम. That will be your answer. Means molarity will be equal to 0.4 mole per liter or 0.4 कैपिटल एम लिखें.